If it wasn't for your prompting, I would have just assumed, no way I would have gotten anything. So I wanted to thank you.
No, we appreciate you growling a problem with us here.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best. Surrender and let go of the past. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means you can enjoy the dream that is happening right here, right now. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 290, Nasdaq's up 167, S&P's up 40, gold contract up $30, trading at $17.67 an ounce. You got silver up 45 cents, $25.95 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 15 cents, $63.29 a barrel. Copper's up to 10 pennies to $4.22 a pound. Notes and bonds, big bid out here. You get the 10-year note up 23 ticks, trade down at 132.20. 30 years up a full 2 points plus a tick at 158.29. And you get the 10-year right now down at 1.53, the yield. So in the last bottom line 90 days, the high's been 1.74, the low's been 1.01. Bottom line, we're going to see where this goes. It has juice underneath it, though, in a big way. King dollar's down 44 ticks, trading out at 91.646. The euro is at 119, the yen is at 108.68, and the British pound is at 137 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do we have? Okay, so you get the SPY up here. Bottom line is that it keeps crawling. There's no doubt about that, man. The juice isn't here, but guess what? You're crawling up. You're up 380, $415.26. You do have a contraction of volume again. NDX 100 right now, bottom line is testing the highs of yesterday. Now, this is going to get really dicey, and this is why. So the NDX 100, folks, okay, had come down, well, went to a higher high yesterday, came off the high and had some volume. Bottom line is that it looks to me like today is that you're going to, the number to keep our eye on coming into the close is this. It's going to be $340.98. Right now, you're at $341.08. And the reason I'm bringing this up, well, we'll bring it up so we're speculating on where the market wants to go. Bottom line, though, it looks to me that you're going to get a failure at that price, and the NDX 100 is lagging. That's the real bottom line out here. The small caps, you talk about tricky inside the small caps. Small caps, bottom line yesterday, got to a higher price, gave it up. We got the small caps, the IWM, we got up to a price point of 236.06. 226, rather. 226. This morning you get to 225.12. You can have another contraction of volume. Bottom line, they want lower price. Gold contract finally made the break. It's pretty amazing, man. If you've been in the gold market for a long time, you get used to this. But when gold moves in, it moves. What do we have out here today? You took out the swing points. You have the volume behind the move. Right now, you're at 1766. The flack that we're going to be getting is at the 1774 level. Right now, you hit 1770. We're coming up to it. I like how we're coming up to it. We're coming up to it. We do have volume on the move as we're coming up to it. And if you're in any of the gold equities, well, it's a field day out here today. If you don't understand the ABC structures, go to Amazon, get my book, The Art of Timing the Trade. Because the bottom line, folks, is that we get ABC structures on the way up all over the place. In a monster way, too. Newmont is leading the charge in a big way. Newmont's blowing away a swing point at $63. It's a monster ABC structure on the way up. Newmont's at 64. That's on its way up to 68. You can just go, I can go over and over a bunch of them. All of a sudden, the funds evidently woke up and they're all buying. They're buying at the same time. And because the gold market is so small, it makes a huge difference. You got an Eagle. That's taken out of consolidation. That's up $3 right now, trading $63. That thing's looking to go to 71. Royal Gold, this is pretty cool. Now, Royal Gold is a streamer as well as Franco-Nevada. And Royal, you know, for years was a strong stock. Then it got smoked. Well, guess what? It's starting it up again because what Royal has just done, now this is going to be pretty intense. This just took out a consolidation going all the way back to November of 2020. So we take a look at it. It's up 4% today, 3.5%. Bottom line, this thing is on its way now up into the 136 area. You're at 116. And if we go to Franco-Nevada, FNV, what you're going to see inside Franco-Nevada is the same type of setup. This is another ABC structure on the way up. You're taking out the B point. The B point in Franco-Nevada is 135. I believe this is a 13.A to B. There it is. So Franco-Nevada is trading up 379 right now. You're at 136, but you got an ABC structure up, and that's 133.43. You're talking about 146 as your price projection. The swing high it's going after is 151. And guess what? You're at 136. Big numbers, man. 10-year note. Let's go take a look at the 10-year note out here. That also caught a bid. 10-year note up 22 ticks. You got volume behind the move in a big way. We got 1.8 million contracts out here. You're taking out the consolidation. That's saying that the good old 10-year is now on its way up to the 135.13. The 30-year, this is a monster move on the 30-year also. 30-year right now is up 2 points. You're at 158.28. And that baby looks to me like, yeah, that thing's going to go up to this, 165 area. It's going to get really intriguing. King Dollar. Now, with King Dollar, this is wild, man. It's particularly wild. So what we had the last week, folks, okay, is that King Dollar was giving it up on price. Okay, we were coming off the highs, but yet the gold contract wouldn't move. And bottom line, you know, it is what it is. That being said, what we have with King Dollar right now is that we're at 91,643, and the number that we got to keep our eye on, it's 91,602 that gets it in the lower range. I suspect we're going to build a little more cars, then good old King Dollar is going to be running down to the 89 level. Stay right there, folks. I got our man, Mr. Basil Chapman, coming up. He's going to be doing a great webinar for all his subscribers right as soon as I'm closing up today. We're going to get Basil